Now comes the exciting part where we put it all together. So we're going to start with our garbanzo beans, right from the chinois. We're going to put them in the food processor, fitted with a blade. We put this on, put the top on, and we let it run. Can you hear me okay talking while it's running? Okay. So you can see what happens, it gets gunked up, but as soon as we put in our lemon juice, you'll see some things start to transform as it comes off the sides there. Very good. Then we're going to be adding tahini sauce through the top here too. This is really the secret ingredient of hummus, is the tahini sauce. Okay, and here's our garlic clove. Goes right in there. We're going to put in a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, which is mostly for color. And we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt, of our delicious sea salt. About a tablespoon of curry paste. And you want to let this all process for a while to make sure it all gets ground up together. And I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And then that's it. It's done. It's a paste. You want to put it in a bowl and let it refrigerate for a couple hours or overnight to let the flavors meld. And it gets warm from all the chopping. And I have some ready here that we can taste right away. Here's some. Put it into a nice little bowl. This is about how much it makes, just about a cup and a half. And it's so good. You know, one of the things I discovered using curry paste, it's not traditional Mediterranean. Indians cook with the curry paste and chickpeas, but it's just so delicious. A typical Mediterranean that might use maybe a quarter teaspoon of cumin would be a good substitute to make it more traditional. But I don't really care about traditional. I want it to be delicious. And this is some good stuff. Let's go finish making some more of our Mediterranean dinner.